In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable virtual reality services on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel now, select Privacy and Security. And on the right side, select Site Settings. Scrolling down underneath Additional Permissions to expand that, you want to locate something that says Virtual Reality. Select it, and then select Don't Allow Sites to Use Virtual Reality Devices or Data, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.